Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply enable lid open resume on ACER Predator 17, which will wake it from sleep by simply opening the lid without pressing any more buttons. And to do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how, you can watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to Main tab and then find Lid Open Resume. And now you can set it to disabled and enable, and it will simply resume from S3 state, and the S3 state is the sleep state. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.